Early prospectors in the area were so intent on finding gold and silver that they neglected the most precious resource here, marble. Welcome to Marble Country. We're gonna go explore. Here we are off-road in Marble, somewhere up in the mountains, and we're about to go on the most amazing off-road journey. We're gonna go through streams, wildflowers, just up and down this mountain, and it's gonna be epic. Let's go.